Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best LED tail lights for Jeep Wrangler in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best LED tail lights for Jeep Wrangler that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Vouke Universal Tail Lights. Vouke is one of not so many brands that choose to share how their accessory is built in detail. The fact is that when it comes to the LEDs that the taillights are equipped with, you may not realize how many of them are divided between the stop and turn functions, backup functions, and also license illuminator, if any. In the case of Vouke taillights, 16 red LEDs are dedicated to the former function, while 18 are assigned to white backup LEDs, and the remaining 4 belong to the license illumination. It needs to be added that despite the price range, which I define as budget variation, the item is DOT certified and well fit for street use. Besides, the power consumption is decreased, which is a nice advantage for the price. The lens is designed in such a way that no moisture or corrosion damages the accessory. Lastly, the installation is a breeze. Moving on at number 4. We have the Audexin LED tail lights. At times you can't afford to invest into the priciest accessory there is, but the budget option does not fit your expectations as well. That is when a quality average cost taillight comes in handy. In case you wonder which brand I would recommend to suit the requirements, that would be the Audexin. There is nothing out of the ordinary about the accessory. It is simple to install, sturdy, and modern looking. However, I would say that the taillights from the vendor are a little brighter than the rest, and that is additional safety if you ask me. Apart from that, the accessory is durable and made of quality material. EMC is already built in. At number 3, we have the Renegade series LED tail lights. Those of you who are interested in the ways to enhance the tail lights with utterly modern substitution, I will advise paying attention to the Renegade series. I will warn you straight away that it won't be a budget investment, but it is going to be worth it. The brand ensured that their taillights are perfectly compatible with the Jeep models. They are designed for so that even if you are inexperienced with the process of installation, you will succeed in a matter of minutes. It should be separately mentioned that the sequential technology the item is created with ensures improved brightness and safety on the road. The lens of the taillights is triple protected and is totally weather and shockproof. Apart from that, the capacity resistors that the item comes with is designed to prevent hyper-flashing and pass by the stock error code. It goes without saying that the design of the accessory will enhance any Jeep exterior. At number 2, we have the LITE-WAY smoked LED tail lights. Those of you who care about the aesthetics of your vehicle in the first place, I have something in store for you too. The truth is that some drivers choose to substitute their taillights simply because they do not want them to look like everyone else's. If it happens so that you belong to the category, then you should definitely pay attention to that LITE-WAY has to offer. Their smoked glass taillights are perfectly unique but also well functioning at the same time. The thing is that the taillights are created to consume as little energy as possible, and that is an advantage not to leave out. Apart from that, the taillights are designed with built-in resistors, which ensure there is no flickering no matter the weather conditions. Lastly, the plug-and-play installation is simple and straightforward, while the price is nothing but pleasing. And finally at number 1. We have the JW Speaker 0347531 Jeep JK tail lights. The truth is that it is the model manufactured in the USA so that true patriots will appreciate it. Apart from origins, this tail light model has a lot more to offer. First things first, the item is designed particularly for the Jeep, thus, it is durable enough to withstand the toughest of the off-roads you are about to conquer. The taillights are bright, and that is a feature to pay attention to if you are cruising your Jeep a lot, no matter the time of the day or night. Lastly, it needs to be added that when compared to some other models, the JW speaker taillights are simple to install, so even if you are not a Jeep mechanic, you will be able to deal with the installation on your own. The blacked-out design deserves particular attention if you wish your new taillights to complete your edgy style too. Lastly, I couldn't help but notice that the wiring is done precisely to meet the stock harness, besides the housing preserves all the brake and signal light functions. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.